Hello, namaste, namaskara. Trading is not difficult, guys. What makes it difficult is to manage your emotions. Trading is very simple. It's most of the part is understanding the levels, the price action. But the difficult part is managing the emotions, managing the boredom, managing your positions once you enter a trade. That's the most difficult part. But if you learn that business of managing your emotions, controlling your feelings, controlling your emotions, managing your positions, then you will do very well in trading. Today's market, okay, and the levels that we discussed, it was like as if the market was listening to me. If you see the video, if you have seen the video that and the levels that we marked in yesterday's video for today's session, okay, that is today's Nifty and Bank Nifty session, as if the market was just listening to the levels that I had marked them. Okay, I'm not boasting here, but that is simple. That's as simple as that of understanding the level. Bang on, dot to dot, the levels were respected. Okay, in today's price action in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. All we need to do was follow those levels, do risk management, and leave it to the market. After that, you have no control on the markets. Okay, so there's no point looking at the market every few seconds and seeing what is happening. What is my am I profitable? Am I making a loss? No, you have following the system. You're following the process. Just to let the markets do its thing. All right. So if you have not watched yesterday's video, please do watch it. Okay, and if you have liked it, if you have see the levels that we discussed, how it was bang on, please give a thumbs up, hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and you know click on the notification. All right, so this is a channel for you, the stock market teacher. Okay, learn the levels as I discuss, as I teach them to you. It's very easy to understand, anybody can understand, and share it with your friends and family. The more the knowledge you share, okay, the more is the learning for you and me as well. All right, so let's not waste any more time. Let's discuss how the today's session went. Okay, let's discuss how the today's session went in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and let's understand what could be the levels that we could, we need to watch out for tomorrow's trading day. Okay, and there is an RBI policy, so could be a little volatile. Just respect the levels, respect your risk management, and leave it to the markets. All right, so let's start with Nifty, and as you know, I start marking my levels by first thing I do is I mark the day's high. So this is your day's high for today. Okay, this is your day's high for today. I mark it with a dashed line, and I'll make it as red. Okay, so that's your day's high, and next I mark is a day's low. So we are doing Nifty levels. We are understanding the Nifty levels. So I mark the low with the blue dotted line. So this was more of your trading. Okay, this was more of your trading range today. Okay, the market went down. Yesterday I had mentioned that it was a narrow day, and we could see some move happening on either side, and this was the move that you saw. The market went down, and the levels that we had discussed here, it took bang on dot to dot the support, and then it moved higher from that level. Alright, so again I repeat, go and watch the video, you will enjoy it, you will see how simple it is. It is just plain horizontal lines that I am trying to identify here. There's no fancy things that I'm doing here. Alright, so this is your Nifty high and Nifty low. So the Nifty high was around 17,810 levels to 815 levels, and the Nifty low was around 17,640 to 17,650 levels. Okay, so once I mark the high and the low for today's session, okay, as I needed for tomorrow's session. Next, I try to figure out where could the Nifty find support or where it could face resistance. Simple. All you need to do is see after a fall where the price has bounced up. You see this level here, this level. This is your simple support level. That means this is the level where the bulls are stronger, that the buyers are stronger. Okay, this is the level where the buyers are stronger, between 17,650 to 17,660 levels. This is the zone for the buyers, and this level was marked in yesterday's session, yesterday's video as well. Okay, so this again holds good for tomorrow's session as well, and to mark the levels for today. This is your support level. Next, we need to find out what are the other levels. Now you see here, this level was acting as a support, okay, in yesterday's session, and this level broke. Okay, this level broke in today's session. So support once broken, okay, tends to act as a resistance. And in today's session itself, this acted as a resistance just on one candle alone, and that resistance was broken, okay, in today's session itself. So what this level marks? This level marks as a support level now. So this level will act as a support level. So there's this zone here, okay, this, okay, could act as a support level. So now tomorrow I am expecting a bounce from this level, or there could be a gap up around this level, that is 17,760 to 17,770 level, or you could see a gap up directly around this level, okay, the day's high. And from this level the market has also fallen down, okay, from this level, okay, the market has also fallen down. So you could see a kind of a resistance around this particular zone, okay, this level. You could see a resistance around this level, that is 17,800 to 17,820 levels. You could see a kind of a resistance. If the price bounces from this level, you could see a resistance, okay, from this particular level. So what are other levels that market could see tomorrow or maybe in the days to come? So this is another resistance level from where the price has taken a deep fall from this particular level. So 17,850 to 17,860 to 865 levels is another resistance or a supply zone that the price action might face, where you could see the bears making a comeback. Okay, so all you have to do is identify these levels. The next support level is around this level. Okay, now you see these are another support levels. Okay, so 17,000 580 to 17,590 to 17,600 levels. So these are the levels that you could see. Okay, so all I am doing is I'm trying to figure out where Nifty, okay, could face resistances based on today's price action and previous day's price action. Okay, few days price action. So you see, I marked my high for the day, I marked my low for the day, where it could see support, because, and I explained why, where it could find support, where it could find support, where it could face resistances, because these are the zones where the supply could come in. Okay, so this, if the price bounces from here and touches this level, you know that this is the level not to go long. That is, the supply could come in. You need to wait and watch out. Let the price spend some time here. Okay, let the market spend some time here, and then if it's a breakout, then we could look at taking a position here, and it could move to this particular level. Okay, it could move to this particular level. Okay, so now you need to identify whether you are a mean reversion trader, whether you are a breakout trader, or what kind of trader are you, what kind of process do you follow. If you have no process, then it is going to be very dangerous for your trading account, and you would end up losing it all. So have a process in place. Would you like to go for a breakout trades, or would you like to go for mean reversion trades? Okay, I prefer mean reversion trades, but I also do breakout trade as well. Okay, so these, if the price opens a gap down for any reason, you never know what is the overnight risk in the market. If there is a gap down, these are your support levels. We need not go, long immediately. We can watch and see how the candlestick is forming, how the price action is forming, and if there is a long to be taken, then we could take a long position. All right. So I hope these Nifty levels are very clear for you. This is very simple price action understanding. Okay. So moving on to the Bank Nifty next. Okay, again repeating the same process. So there's not, guys, there's not much okay different. That's why the trading is pretty boring as well, because you need to repeat the same old thing, same old stuff, and it is, if you do that, it is profitable. Okay, so let's mark the high and the low for Bank Nifty now. So let's mark it, since it's in blue, I'll mark the Nifty low now. So the Nifty Bank Nifty low was 41,095 level. So that is your Bank Nifty low here for today's session. Okay, let's mark the high. Bank Nifty reached a level of the high of 41,630 in today's session. So I'll make it as a dash line. And this level was discussed, that this is the level where the market could face resistance. So you see here the market went up. It showed huge candlestick, but that was not a signal for you to go long. It showed that there are resistances here. Okay, this was the resistance that was marked in yesterday's session, and that resistance held good today. So you would have saved yourself from taking a long position and making a loss on at this particular zone. So once you mark your Bank Nifty high and the Bank Nifty low, let's see where the supply or the demand could come in. So this is a level that you need to watch out for Bank Nifty. This could act as a resistance level here. Okay, here. Alright, so this could mark as a resistance zone here for Bank Nifty. What is that resistance zone? The resistance zone is around 41,670 levels to 41,700 levels. That's your resistance zone for Bank Nifty. Okay, we have a major resistance here around this particular zone from the one of the sessions on that is 1st February, the budget day. That is 42,000 level, that is 41,980 to 42,000 level. That's one of the levels that you need to watch out for. That was a major supply zone here, that it could come in as a very blockade for the resistance level. Now what's the next level? Now you see here, this level was acting as a support zone. We had marked this level in today's session. This level got broken in today's session, and in today itself, okay, an afternoon session, that resistance which we are expecting broke out, and this level could mark as a support level. Okay, so this level could mark as a support level. So we are marking this as a support level. What is that support level? 41,280 levels to 41,330 levels. Okay, so this is a zone where you could see kind of a support here. Whether it will hold on, whether it will break through, market will tell you that. You need to understand the price action, you need to understand how the candlesticks are forming, and then let the market do its thing. So we don't have to break our heads too much. So this is another resistance zone here, okay, in today's session, which was highlighted in yesterday's session also. This also could mark as a resistance zone here. Okay, so these are the levels that you are looking for. Okay, and major support level is around this particular level. Okay, if in case the price comes to this level, we could see a kind of support, a bounce here, or if you short somewhere here, this could be your targets to book your profit. So these are the levels that we are looking for Bank Nifty for tomorrow's session. What is the level that we are looking for? We are looking for today's high, and just about that is the good resistance zone of 41,680 to 41,700 levels for Bank Nifty. If the price comes to this level, you could see a kind of a bounce up here, okay, from 41,300 level to 41,330 levels. You could see a kind of a bounce up from this level here. So these are the zones where you need not take a short position here. You could look at a long position. These are the zones where you could look at a short position if in case. That all depends on tomorrow's price action and tomorrow's market condition. And there was a big huge move from this level. So this level, that is 41,110 to 41,080 levels, could act as a strong support, because there was a big move from this particular level. So the bulls might come back and try to protect this particular zone. Okay, this could be if there is a gap down. If in case there is a gap down to this level, you could see a bit of a bounce back, or could be a bounce back to this particular level, the first level, and or to this particular level. So you could look at these levels on the support side. This is a support level. Alright guys, so this is your Bank Nifty levels and the Nifty levels. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel Stock Market Teacher, click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you are notified immediately. All the best in tomorrow's trading.